Hello everyone. I have started a new lecture series which is based on previous year questions of state PSCs and UPSC. Okay. In this lecture series, we are dealing geography, and we have started Indian geography. Okay. This is the second lecture. Uh, if you have not watched the previous one, you can watch that also. Today we are going to see the questions of India and topic of cancer. Okay, this is about myself. So let's see today's questions. Okay, so the first question is based on topic of cancer is nothing but the expansion of India is between. Okay, so these are given. Okay, like how much it is from north and south. Okay, so you can see the options here. So see, whatever option is given is all is wrong. Okay, is all is wrong. The expansion of India is in between. Okay, you can read here. The area of India extends between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Okay, and 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Okay, so this is the actual position of expansion of India. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of India. Okay, so the Tropic of Cancer which passes through the middle of India, thus it is clear that none of the option is correct. Okay, so that's why, like, since nothing is given from here, so that's why no option is correct. I mean, out of these three, so answer is D. Okay, next, the latitude that passes through Sikkim also passes through. Okay, so see, in this type of question, like you should know the map of India. Okay, like how where it is lying, where the Tropic of Cancer is lying and Tropic of Capricorn is lying, what are the cities is lying on that line. Okay, so that's why the map is very important for this type of questions. So you can see here they're asking for the Sikkim. Okay, so in the Sikkim, okay, so the latitude that passed through Sikkim, so they're asking what are the other cities. So you can just draw, where it is Sikkim, and just draw a line, I mean, okay, of latitude, and see like which state is lying on the latitude. Okay, so the options are Rajasthan, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. So here actually the answer is A. Okay, Rajasthan. The latitude that passes through Sikkim also passes through Rajasthan. Okay, just remember this. Next, 70 degree east latitude, sorry, longitude passes through, again the same like previous question. So we should know, like uh, there is different angles of the latitude. So at each angles, what are the cities are lying? Okay, so that also we should know that. So here 70 degree east latitude passes through Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Dholpur, and Nagaur. So the answer is B, Jaisalmer. Okay. So 70 degree east latitude passes through the Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Answer is B. Next, see, now they're asking about Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following states? Okay, again, I told you in the previous slide. Okay, so like Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, how many states they are crossing, and also like how many cities they are also passing through. So those things we should know that. Okay, so Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, or Himachal Pradesh, AP, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so the answer is B, Bihar. So Tropic of Cancer pass through Bihar. So we'll read here. Tropic of Cancer passes through almost the middle of the India. It passes through 8 Indian states, namely Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Okay, so these are the 8 states that pass through the Tropic of Cancer, which passes through. Okay, so please remember 8 states. Okay, sometime in the questions they will ask how many states the Tropic of Cancer is passing. So the answer is 8, and remember these states: Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. See here in the like explanation, Bihar is not there, but Jharkhand earlier was the part of Bihar. I mean, yeah. So we have to choose the Jharkhand. Okay. So the answer is okay. We'll write Jharkhand was the part of Bihar, that I already mentioned that. So that's why the answer is B. Okay. Next, again, see, as per the explanation of the previous question, you can answer this question. Okay. So the Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following states? So Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand. Okay. So we have seen that UP, I mean, this Tropic of Cancer is passing through the center of the India. Okay, so obviously the UP is on top. Okay, so obviously UP will not be the part of these. I mean, the Tropic of Cancer will not pass through UP, so we have to cut out UP. So you can see here 3 is in B, 3 is in D, even 3 is in A. So the answer is, oh sorry, in C. So the answer is A. In the explanation also in the previous slide, we have seen that Gujarat, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Okay, so these are the states, I mean other Mizoram and other states also lying on the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, now next, again, Tropic of Cancer passes through Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Mizoram, all of these. Okay, so obviously the answer will be D, all of these. Okay, see, in this lecture series you might feel sometimes boring because the same question is repeating. Okay, so I have taken this the resource which is given where the question asked in all the states together, so the same question is repeating in multiple states. Okay, so those my motto is to show you, like, you know, how these questions are coming in different states. So whatever state you belongs to, okay, you just see, I mean, anyway you see all the question, but at least I don't want to miss, like, you know, if someone is from MP and the same question is coming in UP and MP. So if I'm cutting like question from MP, so you might think that this question is not coming in MP, so I will not read that. So that's why you might feel that the question is repeating, okay, multiple times, but still if you see carefully, the years and the states where they have asked the question is different. Okay, so don't think like it is boring. Okay, but anyway it is repeating the same question. If you're reading 10 times, so it is going to, you know, hit your mind for longer time. So I think you got my point, what I'm trying to say that. Yeah, next question. Again, as per the previous explanation, we can easily answer this question. Though how many Indian states does pass through Tropic of Cancer? Okay, Tropic of Cancer pass 6, 8, 7, 9. Okay, so we have seen in the explanation there is total 8 states. Okay, so the answer will be B. There is 8 states that Tropic of Cancer is passes through. Now you can see this question is asking Uttarakhand PCS. Now next question. The state of India through which Tropic of Cancer passes is J&K, HP, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. Okay, so yeah, so the answer is D. We have seen that. Okay, there is no Jammu and Kashmir. See, please remember this Tropic of Cancer is passing center of the India. Okay, so the state which is in center, which lie in the center, that will be the answer. So you can see the J&K is on top. Okay, it is like, you know, head of India, and the HP just below of that. So obviously in Bihar we have seen that Bihar is not the part of that. So that's why the answer is D. Okay. Even though if you are knowing, okay, it is passing from the center, and if you don't know the states, okay, what state it is passing, but still you can answer. Okay. Next, the topic of cancer does not crosses which of the following state? Okay, Tripura, Chhattisgarh, Mizoram, Manipur, Mizoram. So obviously it is Manipur, from where it is not passing. So Tripura is the answer. Chhattisgarh is correct. Mizoram is correct. We have seen that in the previous explanations. Okay, so the answer is C. Manipur is not the part of Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is not passing through the Manipur. Which of the following town is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Agartala, Gandhinagar, Jabalpur, Ujjain. See, again, I'm saying, please read the map. Okay, this is very, very important. See, what you do that, those who are watching, just open the map, whatever map you have, and with a red color bold pen, take the red color bold pen and just draw the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn on your map, and just see like and what are the state it is passing through, and no, nearby what are the cities or state. Okay, so if you do this task, okay, definitely you are not going to miss any of the question based on this Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so in this slide we are dealing the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, maybe in next video we'll see the topic of question based on Tropic of Capricorn. So here they're asking the nearest town of Tropic of Cancer. So yeah, okay, it is Gandhinagar, which is nearest. We'll read here the explanation part. The place whose longitudinal position is at minimum distance from the latitude of Tropic of Cancer will be nearest place to the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer is at 23 degree 30-minute north, divided India into almost two equal parts. Longitudinal position of the towns given in the option. Okay, so like the options which is given, like what are the positions of those and these cities. So Agartala, its latitude is 23 degree 50-minute north, and yeah, so and what is the position of Tropic of Cancer? It is 23 degree 30-minute north. So if you subtract this, so it will be minus 20 degree minus 20 minute. Similarly, Gandhinagar is at this position. If you subtract with this, you'll get plus 11 minute. Similarly, you can do for the Jabalpur and for the Ujjain. So out of these four, okay, Agartala has the minimum, nearest distance to the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, anyway, these things is very difficult to memorize. So from this explanation, you just read this twice, okay, so that if the similar option or similar kind of question you are getting, you can answer. Okay, it is like very difficult to remember for the position, latitude position for all the cities, but yeah, from here from the question you can just memorize that. Next, among the following cities, which one is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Delhi, Kolkata, Jodhpur, Nagpur. So again, we have done the previous question. So similar way we can do the this question. So here I'm not going to explain again. Okay, we just read here and just see like which is the nearest. So answer will be Kolkata. Okay, I'm not going to do this again because I have done in the previous question. Okay. So those who are serious aspirant, please do this with your own and just see like which is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer. I feel that these type of question is like difficult questions, okay, because you cannot remember these things, okay, these things you cannot remember. Next, which important latitude divides India into almost two equal parts? 23 degree 30 minutes south, 33 degree 30 minute north, 0 degree and 23 degree 30 minute north. So this is actually D. We have seen in the explanation also in the previous question. So 23 degree and 30 minute north divided to India into almost two equal parts. Okay. And it is also known as Tropic of Cancer. Okay. So instead of giving directly mentioning, Tropic of Cancer, it is saying it is dividing into two equal parts. And we have also read that earlier, this Tropic of Cancer is passing center, center of the India. So that's why it is dividing into two equal parts. Next, which of the following Indian states lies north to the Tropic of Cancer? Jharkhand, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. So obviously for this type of question, we should know the like how this Tropic of Cancer is passing. Okay. So this is Manipur. Okay. So in north they are asking. So Tropic of Cancer passing through 8 states, Indian states, nearly Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Manipur lies north of the Tropic of Cancer. Please remember, Manipur lies north of the Tropic of Cancer. Next, which among the following places which have maximum day length in the month of June? Okay, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bhopal, Delhi. So answer is D, Delhi. Okay. So yeah, I will read here. The length of the day in the northern hemisphere start increasing after the sun is moving north to the equator. Okay, when the sun is start moving north to the equator, so in the northern, the length of the day in the northern sphere started increasing. Okay, on 21st June we have here read this summer solstice. This the sun is directly overhead to the Tropic of Cancer, and the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, and therefore the northern hemisphere has day ranging from June over just over 12 hours around the Tropic of Cancer to the 24 hours in the Arctic Circle. Delhi is most appropriate answer. Okay, it most north. Obviously, since Delhi is the northern side, so that's why the Delhi is the best option for this. Okay. If you don't understand that, please read this again. You'll get the answer. Okay. So the answer is D here.